Hello everybody, my name is Thomas and welcome back to Thomas's Tutoring. In the previous video we did coordinates in the intermediate level and today we're going up a notch into the advanced level. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as after 50 subscribers the next milestone will be 75. Make sure to like this video. Let's go for a like goal of 4 likes because for me 4 is a bit of a lucky number. Without any further ado, let's talk about the rise and run. So in today's PowerPoint, we will be focusing on rise and run questions. So what is the rise and run? I know this might seem a bit off topic, but it's not, as there was this one question in a mock exam, well, it was actually in a proper CSSE exam, and I had to try quite a few times to get the correct answer, and boy was that hard. And the key to solving it was the rise and run. So it might not be as irrelevant as it seems. So the rise and run form between 2 points or more marked on a coordinate grid. The rise is the difference between the 2 points in an upwards/downward direction, and the run is the opposite, so not downward upward, but across. So if the 2 points were 0, 0 and 3, 7, the rise would be the rise would be 7 and the run would be 3, because it's 3 across, 7 up. Yeah, my bad. The way to calculate rise and run is to draw a line between the 2 points, and you calculate from the furthest left point. Yeah, because it's either going to go like that, or like that, or like that, but then that's the same as that. But yeah, so for the first exercise, what is the rise and run from the 2 points marked on the grid? You'll have 15 seconds starting now. Okay, and that's 15 seconds up. I mean, technically it's 5 milliseconds off, but so if we were to draw a line between the 2 points, it would go somewhat like that. So the run would be, well, because this is the furthest left point, we're at -5 and we go to 2. So the run is 7. And then we have to calculate it going up/down. So we're at 0 and then we go down 2. So 7 minus 2. Exercise 2. What is the rise and run between the 2 points marked on the grid? Just so that you know, this is -4 minus 2 and this is 1, 2. Now knowing the coordinates themselves gives you a big clue. So 20 seconds for this one. Okay, that is 20 seconds up. So if we were to draw a line between the 2 points on the grid, it would go 4 to 1, so 7 across again. Wait, what? No, not 7. My brain's going. 5 across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 up. So it's not as hard as it seems, at least not as hard as it looks. So 5, 4 for that one. Exercise 3. What is the rise and run from the 2 points marked on this grid? So -2, 3, and then 0 minus 4. You'll have, let me see, 20 seconds for this one too. So that's 12 milliseconds over. Basically we go in, another way you can calculate it is going 2 across, so 2, and then going down, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And because we're going down, stick a minus on there. And now there's a way you can calculate this thing called a gradient, which is often very important if you want to draw a longer line. So like a line that will go sort of something like that, and then keep going down. But I mean, I haven't got a ruler, so I can't really draw it accurately. But I'll do that in a different video. So for our penultimate exercise, l'exercice 4, as my French teacher would say, what is the rise and run from the 2 points marked on the grid? So -3, 0 to 2, 3. 20 seconds. I mean, technically they will, because I'm doing a new subject, I'm only letting you have 20 seconds, but I probably could have made a separate one called Rise and Run, but then I'd run out of ideas because there's only so many you can do that are the same. And that is 20 seconds up. So if we were to calculate it, -3 to 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3. Are you starting to see how easy it is? And yet how easy it is to gloss over the fact that if you had a line that was going like that, and you were given that this was 0.1, and then say this was 0.7, this was 0.1, and then this was 0.6, you'd have to keep going across with the rise and run, and it's so easy to gloss over that fact. And so for our 5th exercise, the last but not least, however you want to say the final one, the rise and run from the 2 points marked on the grid. And if you know what a gradient is, try and tell me what the gradient is for this problem. Oh yeah, 20 seconds for this one, my bad. And because I also asked for the gradient, well, we can calculate that it's 6 across, -2 because it's going 2 down. Knowing this, we can calculate what the gradient is. So the gradient is the rise and run between the line. So here, we've got to try and find the shortest point, which is like that. It's 3 across and 1 down. That is the simplest way of putting it. So if you put 3 minus 1, then that's really good as well. So the gradient, I think it's -3. If it's not, correct me down in the comments. But thank you all for watching. My name is Thomas. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, consider subscribing because we are now on the goal to 75 subscribers. Make sure to like the video. A full like a goal shouldn't be too difficult. At least I don't think it should be too difficult. Anyway, but thank you all for watching. Make sure to check out the videos on screen right now. And until the next time we meet, which will probably be next week, have a very nice day, weekend, night, wherever you are. And until then, have a nice day. Goodbye.